Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. If your OTG cable is not working on your Android phone, don't worry. You are in the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through several simple steps to fix the issue quickly. So let's get started. First things first, OTG stands for on the go. And it lets your Android phone connect to USB devices like flash drives, keyboards and gamepads. Super useful, but sometimes it just won't work. Here's how to fix that. So not all phones support OTG, so you need to check hardware compatibility. Search for your phone model followed by OTG support. You can also download apps like USB OTG checker to verify compatibility. Second can be to use a working OTG cable and USB device. Try your OTG cable and USB device on another phone or computer to make sure they are not faulty. A damaged cable is a common issue. Third is to enable OTG from settings. Some Android phones require you to manually enable OTG. For that, go to your settings, scroll down, tap on system. So this step can vary according to your phone model. In some brands, this option is hidden under additional settings, and here simply turn on the OTG connection toggle. Another reason can be dust or debris in the USB port. Use a soft brush or air blower to clean the port gently. You can also install a file manager like Files by Google to access connected USB storage devices. The last step can be to simply update your phone. Go to your settings, scroll down and tap on System, and then Software Update. And make sure your phone is up to date. If none of these steps worked, your device might need a technician's help or a firmware update. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.